Today we're going to give you an update about the cryptocurrency markets and we'll see what's next. Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're doing an analysis on the cryptocurrency market as it is right now. So let's just have a look at one of these indicators that I like to use just to gauge sentiment a little bit. I'm not really using it in order to make trades, but that is the fear and greed index. So we are still in extreme fear. We're not in the levels that we've seen in previous weeks where we hit 10 as an absolute low, but we're still in extreme fear. Now, this overall sentiment in the market will present a nice buying opportunity. However, it is important to know where these buying opportunities will happen, because if you just blatantly think that you have to buy because there's fear in the markets, you will miss out on a lot of opportunities within the markets. So as of right now, price structure wise, we have a falling wedge formation on Bitcoin. We just reached this golden pocket over here. We saw rejections from the levels called in the market outlook of yesterday, with a perfect rejection on 41 to 68 with a $10 difference once again. So beautiful call, and I really enjoyed trading yesterday. I opened some positions, they got stopped out or break even, which is perfectly fine in my opinion, right? I'm not here to take a tremendous amount of risk in this current market situation, but I'm just here to see when opportunities present themselves and then be patient enough in order to wait for the next leg down. So as of right now, when we saw this fake out over here, which was a short squeeze but no real rise in volume, and then we saw a swift decline over here, that's when I really started to become bearish. So I did sell some of my positions after this close presented itself, and I put some other positions on break even. Right now I'm mostly risk off, and I'm really waiting for the 39,600 level to be reached again. So there can be a small pullback from 40,561, but I don't really see any reason why we wouldn't break below the 40K again, which would present amazing buying opportunities in my opinion. We are seeing some rejection right now, but I do believe that the demand in this area is drying up and we will see some lower levels in the future. So that's mostly what I'm watching on Bitcoin. I am watching this 40,500 level very closely, and I'll be placing an alert right above there. And a 39,600. I do believe that we will see some further downside because this price action just doesn't really look that good to me. So this is the moment where I have risk off the table. I'm not really looking to buy these lows anymore until we visit this 39,600 level, 40,500 level, because that's when the edge will return in my favor, in my opinion. These lows, they have dried up a little bit. I did try to buy them yesterday. It was a nice trade. We saw some good gains from this area, but it wasn't the low that we were anticipating. So yeah, that's basically my overall view of the market. I think that Bitcoin will remain strong compared to the rest of the altcoin market, which is not good overall for our crypto portfolios, right? So once we see this deceleration happening, that's when we start to get worried, right? Because if Bitcoin starts to gain against altcoins and make a dip towards the downside, that's when you'll see those big double-digit losses on your portfolio in one day. So that's exactly for me the moment to scale a little bit out and just wait it out and see wherever we'll have our new bottom. I'm just here to wait for an edge to present itself in the market. I'm not here to perfectly predict everything. I'm just here to look where the opportunities are and to protect my capital when needed, because those moments of downside, they will drag down your entire portfolio if you're not careful. So once again, to illustrate, I'll just pick a random chart over here. But just imagine, right? If you bought in right over here, $5, then we see a decline of 65% on your portfolio. And now we're trying to get back to those highs again. You're already seeing that to get back to these highs, it's remarkably more that you need to get back. So whenever you make a 50% loss, you have to gain back 100%. Now, if you go further down, for example, 60, 70, 80%, even 90%, that's when you get into this crazy, crazy territory of getting back 1000% in order just to be break even at your portfolio. So that's why I really try to guard my profits. And if that means I miss out on some of the gains, I'm perfectly fine with that, because I know that protecting my downside is way more important than trying to catch a little bit of upside. So I'm not here to catch the falling knife. That's basically the summary of this market outlook video. I have 2 price points that I'm looking at. I would love to see some bullish price action from these levels, but if it doesn't present itself, I have no trade and I won't be worried because I am relatively scaled out into the markets. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this short update. If you want to see more content like this, do subscribe to the WhatsNext Global Channel. We present these market outlooks to you every single day. We have free educational content, and soon we'll even have an international Discord server for you guys to join. So do stay tuned for all the developments within our channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.